What's up world, I'm Mr. Vaca, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily find the recordings that you've made using Google Hangouts Meet and your Google Calendar. I've had a lot of comments and questions saying, I recorded the Google Hangouts Meet, I hit that record button, I ended it properly, and I can't find it anywhere, it's not on my drive. Well, if you set it up using your Google Calendar to organize the Hangouts Meet, you'll be able to actually go to that calendar invite, and right there the recording will be located easily. So all I need to do, let's see, for an example, I'm gonna go back to last Friday where I had an epic Google Hangouts Meet with our two amazing librarians here at Mahonison, and it was, I believe, here, nope, 12 o'clock, nope, 10 o'clock in the morning. This is the meeting, the link that I gave out. The people that attended our Hangouts Meet, and here I actually hit the record button once, turned it off, then hit it a second time, and here are the recordings right here. You can click on both of them. It will give you the file located in your drive, and you can then hit the shareable link icon, and you could click that link and share it to other people that can't find it or want a copy of it, but anyone that was in the meeting will have those icons there within their Google Calendar and can easily get that. You can download it, whatever you want. And that's it. Quick, simple, short, easy way to find those files. And if you have any other questions, please leave it in the box down below. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and feel free to share this video with any of your colleagues. Don't forget to work hard, play hard, and I'll catch you next time.